Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Rapid Resizer. Today I wanted to take you through our Letter Stencil Maker. So once you're logged into your Rapid Resizer account, go ahead and click on the Letter Stencil Maker here. With the Letter Stencil Maker, you can easily create text designs for your art templates. The text will default to black outlines like this, but in Options you can change the line and fill the text with colours down here. I will go more into detail about the fill and the lines later. First of all, I want to take a look at our fonts and shapes. We have hundreds of built-in fonts in the Letter Stencil Maker. If you know the name of a particular font you would like to use, all you have to do is type it in here and it will come up. If you don't see the font that you're looking for, you can go to fontsquirrel.com, and if it's licensed on there, we can add the font for you. So as you can see here, that will take you directly to the website, and then you can let us know what font it is you would like us to add. You can also search fonts by type and shape. As you can see up here, we have different categories of fonts. We have calligraphy, handwritten, modern, novelty, sans, stencil, and symbol. From within these categories, all the fonts are in alphabetical order, so they will be easy for you to search for. The next thing we should take a look at are our piece buttons up here. The minus button will delete a current piece of text or symbol that you have in this box here. For example, if we click on it now, it's deleted. The plus button will add a separate piece of text with its own placement, font, color, and other options. For example, if we type in something here and we click on the plus button, we will see it has duplicated our design, and then we can change the font text to anything we like. The next button will clear the design that you have completely, like so, and take you back to the start. And the undo button will undo your last action. So as you can see, it's bringing back all my hellos. The box to the right is our canvas. So if you type anything here, you'll be able to move it around in the canvas freely. You'll also be able to extend the size of your text by dragging on the edges. I would like to show you now a quick example of how to layer your text. If you would like a font to come to the front of your layering text, all you have to do is click on it. And as you can see, it is now in front of this text here. And if you want it back again, all you have to do is click. If you want to make changes to your font, such as letter spacing and line thickness, you can do this down here in the options. Here you can see the letter overlap and the outline thickness options. If we slide our outline thickness, you will see that my maker's text is getting a thicker line around the outside. And then if we change our letter overlap, the gaps between my letters are getting bigger. And we can also make the letters tighter together. Below the letter overlap and outline thickness options, you will see lines and fill. This will enable you to colour in your stencils. For example, if I would like to fill in my maker's text, I click on fill and I can choose my colour. And then I'll choose stencil and do the same. And letter. Now that I have filled all my text, I just want to bring my makers to the front again. And if you want to change the color of the lines, you can do so here. You can see that's changed my outline of the font. Another thing you might want to do with your text is to stack one letter below the other. So let's take a look at how you would do that. So I have my new example here, and all you're going to do is press the Enter key after each letter. My letters need spaced out a little bit. And that's how you can stack your letters. You could also do them at an angle like this. And one more thing that we can look at is how to add a shadow to your text. So again, I'm just going to duplicate my last letter, or my last word. And let's change that. So we have a new word here with a different font. Now we can add a shadow to it. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicate this. So now we have 2. Then we're going to go down to our options. And in the options we can set our lines and fill to whatever color we wish. And then you have your shadow. You just have to size this correctly. And that's it. That's how you add a shadow to your text. Another thing that you are able to do is to copy and paste into this text bar here. So if you have a text or a font that you like, or maybe it's a symbol, you can copy it from a website and just paste it right in here and it'll show up. I'm just going to add my maker back in here. If some of the fonts, such as Open Sans, have Greek letters, you can access them by clicking Add a Symbol from the selected font at the bottom of the font list. In here, you will find your Greek letters and also letters with accents. The last font that you worked with is what will show up in the Add symbol. So if I choose something else and go to the Add symbol again, you will see the font has changed. Let's quickly test out adding one in. As you can see, it'll show up here again in your last chosen font, and you'll be able to drag the edges and resize. And that's it. I'm going to just undo that, and now I'm ready to print. Once you're finished with your design, all you have to do is go to Customize and Print Full Size. And that's it for the Letter Stencil Maker. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you and your next project, and I'll see you for the next one.